Look what I found. Welcome to day 2 of me and Sawitri's Grand Hawaiian van excursion. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, we've been bopping around the island, making our way over to Hilo, and that is where I come to you today. So we're gonna do a little bit more exploring, go get some breakfast, maybe check out the farmer's market. I don't know, see where the day takes us. But I'm excited to bring you guys along with us. The one thing I didn't vlog last night was this little party that was happening right on the beach here. And there was hula dancing and live music, and it was super cool to kind of walk into something unexpected like that. It's what I love so much about travel and road tripping specifically, is you just never know what you're gonna find. So, I'm ready to do it again. All right, let's go. What do you call these?
Longan.
Longan?
Yeah. They're like lychee but not tart. They were just sweet.
Oh, yum.
Wait, you're not gonna show people what it looks like?
Sorry. I was too busy enjoying it.
Nice tap, bruh.
Zoomed in. That's my face. Hi everybody. I am coming at you guys from the Botanical World Gardens. It is just north of Hilo, and we have decided to peruse our way up the North Shore, take a little bit of an extra drive, scenic route home, see a different part of the island that I haven't covered fully, and we decided to stop at these botanical gardens. They have Groupons, so we were able to get in $8 a piece, not too bad, and frankly, you could spend an entire day here, but we're only going to be spending about an hour. They do offer Segway tours, they do offer zip lining, but we're just going to go on a nice little meander. What better place to run around and be a little fairy than in a garden? knees. Oh, seriously amazing. Oh, sorry. Alrighty friends, my camera's about to die. I've had such a great last 2 days adventuring around Hilo. I hope you enjoyed watching it with me, and we're gonna head home and I'm gonna chill because it's been a lot of jam-packed nature loving fun. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more travel vlogs and me adventuring in Hawaii, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all very soon. I love you so much. I hope you're all doing well. Peace.